Hello everyone, Class 9 Polynomial Chapter Exercise 2.2 First main, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. So, the given polynomial equation is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now we will substitute x value in this equation. 5, x value is 0 minus 4, x value is 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0, 0, 5 0 ja 0 minus 4, 0 into 0, 0 plus 3, 0 minus 4 0 ja 0 plus 3. 0 minus 0, 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. And the next one is x is equal to minus 1. The given polynomial equation is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. 5, x value is minus 1 minus 4, x value is minus 1 square plus 3. Plus into minus, minus 5 ones are 5 minus 4 minus 1 into minus 1. Here it is square, so minus 1 into minus 1 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1 plus 3. Minus 5 minus into plus minus 4 ones are 4 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Thank you.